following message is transmitted by Red. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. It is extremely important that you don't be stupid and play the video in the air, because it will cause massive panicking and confusion. Red does not own any tones, music, or clips in this scenario, but anyways, get some pizza or McDonald's and enjoy watching.
This is KSNV serving the city of Las Vegas. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a cloudy day, temperatures will be in the 70s, and now for the top stories. The President of the United States will be given a speech to tell us about our future. The speech will start at 8:00 p.m., so make sure you will attend and listen to the speech. In other news, there was a report say that a strange individual was seen walking with evil laughter. The description was taken by police. This individual has brown hair, blue eyes, a triangular-shaped head, wearing a black shirt, green pants, black shirt, and he is wearing a white lab coat. If you see this individual in your area, stay away from it and call 911. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
Attention everybody. I, President Obama, will now finally give out my speech to our future of the world.
Uh-oh! I think it's overheated! Well, then you Oh, he's gonna be repulsive now! Oh. Lots of me! Lots of me! Lots of me! No! Lots of me! No! Lots of me!
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. All residents of the city of Las Vegas, get to your homes immediately. At approximately 8:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, multiple creatures were seen walking around the city of Las Vegas. The description of these creatures was found. These creatures have the same description from the individual that was seen walking evilly, but instead, their eyes are facing away from each other. They don't walk like normal humans, and repeats the phrase lots of me. The name of the individual is believed to be Heinz Doofenshmirtz from the TV show Phineas and Ferb from Disney Channel. These creatures are zombies that represent Doofenshmirtz. When they touch you, you'll get purple statics around your body and transform into the zombie. There are more than 50 zombies around Las Vegas. All residents are strongly advised to get to your homes at all time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance. If a zombie breaks into your home, use any weapon at all time. This includes legal force. If no weapon is here, try your best to get out the house, run as fast as possible, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation. following message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. The zombies are now reported to be roaming in different states, including Alaska and Hawaii. They can also break into cars and even ride on an airplane. Reports say that the zombies are now going into different countries. All residents are advised to hide in a shelter or a closet. Do not make any noise or sounds. The zombies can hear you from a far distance. Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz is still out there. His location is unknown. The military are on their way to stop the zombies. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Canadian government. All residents of Canada, get to your homes immediately. The zombies that represents Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz were last seen attacking people and transforming them into the zombies. There are more than 100 zombies in Canada. All residents are advised to seek shelter in place at all time. Do not go near the zombies. If you see one of zombies anywhere near your area, run away from it and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Australian government. All residents in Australia, seek shelter immediately. The Doofenshmirtz zombies from the United States have reached in our country. People are transforming into the zombies. When they touch you, reports say that, if you wear anything that is rubber, it doesn't affect you. All residents are advised to seek shelter in place. Make sure you have anything that is rubber. If you are watching Phineas and Ferb, whether is on Disney+, Disney Channel, or Disney XD, stop watching. Reports say that it is signaling the zombies. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Italian government. All residents in Italy, evacuate immediately. The Doofenshmirtz zombies have made it to Italy. The zombies are attacking people and transforming them into the zombies. All residents need to evacuate immediately. Seek underground shelters at all times. The United States military are having hard time on attacking these zombies. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the France government. All residents in France, seek shelter in place. The Doofenshmirtz zombies are here in France. There are more than 600 zombies in France. Everyone are evacuating the country. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be approached. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate France. Seek shelter and protect yourself. Make sure you have rubber and a weapon to protect yourself. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Mexico government. All residents in Mexico, seek shelter immediately. The Doofenshmirtz and these zombies are in Mexico. They cross the United States and Madeira. People are running away from these zombies. All residents are advised to seek shelter in place, get weapons to protect yourself and your family and friends, make sure you wear something that is rubber. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the New Zealand government. All residents in New Zealand, evacuate immediately. The Doofenshmirtz zombies are now in New Zealand. People are running away from these zombies. Doofenshmirtz was last seen laughing evilly and left the country. All residents are advised to evacuate the country immediately. If you see any of zombies anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupted your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instruction will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most station will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is KSNV. We will continue to serve the Las Vegas area. If you're not in the Las Vegas area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system. Broadcasting the Las Vegas area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the President himself and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I hate to inform you, but our world is coming to an end. Doofenshmirtz have taken over the city. There are more than 2,000 zombies around the world. All the military men and police officers have failed to take down the zombies. The zombies will continue to corrupt the world. All residents must gather with friends and family. Spend as much time with your loved ones. Cherish every moment with your family. Stay tuned for the final moments of the emergency alert system.
Still there, oh, say does that
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Rain has poured down in the city of Las Vegas. Even the United States, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Italy, France, and New Zealand, everyone has turned back to normal, including President Obama. Dr. Heinz Doofenshmirtz has officially been arrested, and will be sentenced to life in prison. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take 5 years to repair all the damage the zombies caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.
Lots of me. At first I was thinking, hey, this is great, but there's more of me than even I can tolerate. Plus now I really notice I should lose some weight. Get a shave, get a